Hi, I'm Chris Young with Infoviz, and today we're going to look at our XR75 Large. And as you see it in front of you, this system's configured for a bulk flow. So we have an in-feed hopper on the front end here, and then it'll dump out and feed out under the existing conveyor. Normally that goes onto a retract reject. And first off, this is a member of our XR75 platform. The nice thing about that is a lot of the button pushes and operations are actually identical. So the software, whether it be on this machine or one of our other machines, it's the same. Second important feature on this is the platform is the same as well. So inside the unit, a lot of the boards from a maintenance level are exactly the same as well. So what we're trying to do today is simulate bulk flow meat, which this system is actually sold to in the States. And the application given to us, the product was a little bit thicker. I think the goal was to look through about 5 inches of meat. Unfortunately though, we only have about 4 inches that we can simulate here, maybe 3.5. All right, so the thinner the product, if you could get this down to about 2 inches or thinner, would be ideal. At about 2 inches thick, you're gonna have very, very good bone detection and be well under 0.8 millimeter stainless. But at about 3 to 4 inches high, we can see on the screen here, we ran it through, and what we have there are 4 little dots that equates down to 0.8 millimeter stainless steel, which is really good. And then on the lower density item, like this synthetic quartz, we're down to 4 millimeters. So if I was about 4 inches thick, I would estimate I'd get about 0.8, which we're seeing, and then 3 to 4 millimeter bone. This synthetic quartz is actually very low density. Beef and pork bone, you'll do a little bit better. So you'll be about 3 to 4 millimeter bone. Okay, very simple. You just put it in. Okay, system will reject. You'll see we actually picked up a little bit better. We got down to 3 millimeter, and we picked up one other piece of metal. The data is all controlled, so you have all the time day stamps for all the rejects. You have the reject image captured, and as well you could send out the data via Ethernet IP or OPC UA. Those are options that you can connect to pull data out as well, or you can integrate it into our control software, which we call Quicka. On the in-feed side here, we have a hopper. And the hopper is equipped with 2 nice handles and pins so you can lift it straight up. And now I have access to the door. Once I unlock it, it too has a handle inside. Comes right out. Probably guess on the other side that door is going to come off as well, but we're going to lift up this cover first. Get it out of the way. And now I can pull this door off. So now what we see inside are these plates. These plates are used for shielding, and you can see there's not a lot of clearance on this particular model, 4.5 inches. So for a bulk flow, again, you'd probably want to try and stay closer to that 3-inch thick if you can. 2-inch will probably give you your best sensitivity, but 3-inch is really good as well. Still get very good sensitivity. But these form the shielding, and then the product will pass